Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel CTET 2026 English language. Learners can reach level of achievement which they would be unable to reach independently with support from others. This assumption is language in language learning is known as input hypothesis, output hypothesis, interaction hypothesis, scaffolding hypothesis. So this is called scaffolding, which is given by Lev Vygotsky, that learners can reach on a level of achievement when they would be able to reach independently with the support of others. So when a learner reach on a level with the help of others, then this is called scaffolding. What does interaction hypothesis means in language learning? So learner need to interact based on the inputs in order to learn a second of foreign language. What is term comprehensible input in language learning? So providing language input to the children, providing language input to the children, which is one level above the learner's language, which is one level above the learner's language. So input is provided more than one level of the learner's language. All children learn the mother tongue without any serious attempt to learn it. This described as natural language faculty or language acquisition. When a learner or a child learn language without any serious effort, this is called language acquisition. Language learning requires serious effort. While language learning requires serious effort, but language acquisition is not required serious effort. Highly reliable test is objective test, essay test, true and false test, none of these. So highly reliable test is objective test which contain true and false, integer type question, multiple choice type question. Therefore these are more reliable. Which of the following skill will not be strengthened by using textbook as material for teaching? A. Effective writing, comprehensive skill, grammar skill, communication skill. So using textbook we can strengthen our effective writing, comprehensive skill, grammar skill, but communication skill cannot be attained by reading or studying books, textbooks. Communication skill cannot attain by using textbook. This is come by interactions. A test of listening comprehension is a test of receptive skill, productive skill, hearing ability, phonology. So a test of listening is comprehension is a test of receptive skills. Listening and reading are receptive skills. Listening and reading, A, L and R are receptive skills, while speaking and writing are productive skills. Important. Listening and reading are receptive skills, while speaking and writing are productive skills. Next is interactive listening is. What is interactive listening? Listening and responding, listening for mood and tone, listening for hard stress and emphasize, listening for finding out speaker's attitude. So here interactive listening is listening and responding, speaking or writing. So A is the correct answer. Interactive listening is listening and responding. Next is reading skill can be best developed by. Reading skills can be best developed by writing answers to questions on the text, focusing on the use of words from context to the text, doing vocabulary exercise, doing quizzes, and playing word games. So, reading skill can be best developed by writing answers to the question on the text. Is the correct answer. Focusing on the use of word from context on the text. 18. Receptive language skills are using grammatical structure accurately, writing in a range of styles, listening and reading for information, being able to self correct by using languages. So receptive skills we are earlier study here are listening and reading. So listening and reading for information. C is the correct answer. Next is, if a longer piece of writing is brief, complete in the third person without digression and emotional overtones and logical arranged, it is a classified advertisement, report, memorandum, newspaper articles. So this is called report. It is without digression, moving down, and emotional overtones. Report is without digression and emotional overtones. 20. Which of the following is an example of the basic interpersonal communication skills? BICS. Discussing response to stay story in a small group in the classroom, taking notes during a lecture or a talk, negotiating town turn, taking with the peer during pre-day, explaining a procedure to a peer during an experiment. So here correct answer is C. Negotiating to turn, taking with the peer during pre-day. Lingui. Lingui came from language is a word in Latin, French, English, German. So lingui is the word of Latin which means produced with tongue. Produced with tongue. Language is formed by the word lingui. It is a Latin word. How many languages are included in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? 22 languages are included in 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. Two are proposed. Bhojpuri, Rajasthani. Proposed languages are Bhojpuri and Rajasthani, while 22 are included. How many dialects are there in India? So dialect has no script. It changes after a distance. It is a regional. So there are 720 dialect in India. What is two productive skill in a language? So productive skills are listening and speaking. Productive skills are listening and speaking. LSRW. LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, writing. Receptive skills are listening and reading, while productive skills are speaking and writing. Language is not symbolic, intensive, social, arbitrary. So, a language is complex, symbolic, and arbitrary system of communication. Language is social. Language is systematic, rule governed. Language is productive, infinite possibilities. Language is arbitrary, no natural link between words and meanings. Arbitrary means no natural link between words and meanings. Language is creative. Language is dynamic, changing over time. Language is dynamic, not static. Language is culturally transmitted. Prediction as a sub skill is associated with reading, drafting, summarizing, note making. So prediction is associated with the reading. Prediction is एसोसिएटेड विद रीडिंग. थोड़ा रीडिंग करके आगे की कहानी का अनुमान लगाना. प्रिडिक्शन इज एसोसिएटेड विद रीडिंग। किसी चीज़ को पढ़कर उसकी आगे वाली चीज़ का अनुमान लगा सकते हैं। सो रीडिंग is related to prediction. What is the score among the one given before that cannot be tested in a formal written examination? Meaning of word and phrases, extensive reading for pleasure, analyzing text, de- reading for information. There is no extensive reading for pleasure in a formal written examination. What is task? In a task based language learning, a piece of work which enables learners to do an activity is called task. A piece of work which enables learners to do an activity is called task. In task based language learning, the most important aspect of an effective language classroom is to provide learner with an opportunity to interact. The most important aspect of an effective language classroom is to provide learners with an opportunity to interact. Interact is correct. A is correct. Which of the following best illustrate an idolect? So idolect is a child's unique pronunciation and word choices is called idolect. An idolect is the unique language used by an individual. It includes your personal vocabulary, tone, pronunciation, and grammatical performances. Rahul say, I wanna eat Maggie now. Preeti say, I would like it to leave some noodles. So both are saying in different using different words for a same purpose. Idolect is influenced by which of the following? Only regional background, only formal education, social, culture, and personal experience, natural language policies. So, idolect is influenced by social, cultural, and personal experiences. Which statement is not true about idolect? It can reflect a learner's personality. It remains static over time. It includes pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar. Every person has a distinct dialect. So its correct answer is B. It remains static over time. This is not correct because it is changeable. It is not static, it is dynamic. Dialect changes time to time, so it is not static. What is a dialect? A speech characterized by a region or a social group is called dialect. Boli. A speech characteristics of a region or a social group. Dialect has no written form. A dialect is a regional or social variety of language that includes unique vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. India, kindly do the needful. USA, please take care of it. Delhi, तू क्या कर रहा है? Bihar, का करत हो? A variety of language spoken in one part of a country is known as regional dialect. A dialect passes through these stages to get the status of standard dialect. So these status are uh, stages are selection, codification, elaboration of functions, and acceptance. Which of the following best describe define a dialect? The study of sentence structure, a regional or social variety of language, the rules of writing an essay, and universal form of language. So, best describe define a dialect is a regional or social variety of language is called dialect. Which is true about dialect? Dialect are incorrect form of a language. Only rural people use dialect. Dialects are systematic and rule governed. So this is the correct. C is correct. Dialects are systematic and rule governed. What is register? Register reflect to the variation in language based on context or social setting. Who you talking to and how formal informal that situation is. For example, to a close friend we say informal registers. Why say that again. to a teacher or a colleague, neutral or formal. Register. Sorry, could you repeat that please? To a judge or a senior officer, highly formal. Register. I apologize, Your Honor. May I request you to kindly repeat that? So these are few questions for CTET 2026 exam from English language. I think these are useful for you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and make comment. Thanks for watching.